Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to lock apps on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and I want to lock apps on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. So for example, I'm going to lock my TikTok app, so you can easily lock this. So you keep a long press on it, then select require face ID or require passcode option which you find here. I have require face ID, simply tap on that, then select require face ID option. Now you have to verify yourself if for which way you have selected. If you have selected passcode, you have to enter your passcode. Or if you have selected face ID, you have to enter your face ID here. And then whenever you want to open this app, it will remind you to verify yourself using the face ID or the Apple ID or your iPhone passcode which you have just entered. So without that, you cannot open your app. So once you have verified yourself using your face ID or your iPhone passcode, you'll be able to open your app. So in this way, you can easily log any app on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.